Hello friends, good afternoon. Yesterday we had started with the numerical of Lami's theorem, in which we had tried to find out the forces in the members of the string. Now this problem, which is also taken from the book of Khurmi, it is having W1 and W2 as two weights. So we are interested to find out the two weights, as well as we are interested to find out the tension in the strings. But one twist is given, that there is a 300 Newton force which is passing through the pulley. Okay, and the string, that is CDE, is a common string. Okay, so we are going to find out the forces in the member AB, BC, CD, as well as we are interested to find out the weight W1 and W2. Okay, so what does the numerical say? That a string ABCDE whose extremity A is fixed has weights W1 and W2 attached to it at B and C. Okay, so we can see that this is a string ABCDE. B and C has weights W1 and W2. Okay, it passes round a small smooth pack at D carrying a weight of 300 Newton at free end, E as shown in the figure. In equilibrium position, BC is horizontal and AB and CD makes 150 and 120 with BC. Find tension in AB, BC, CD, and also find the magnitude of W1 and W2. Okay, so now if we see this particular figure, A, B, C, D, E is a string. So I will divide the string into two parts, that is joint B and joint C, and draw a free body diagram for joint B and joint C. Okay, so if I want to draw a free body diagram, first of all I will collect the point B. Okay, now before starting the diagram, I will assume that force in the member AB is TAB. So we can show that the force in the member AB, that is tensile force TAB, force in member BC, that is equal to TBC, and force in member CD is equal to TCD. Okay, so these we are assuming. Now we will draw a free body diagram. Okay, so to draw a free body diagram, first of all we will take the point B. Okay, so I will write down over here that this is my point B over here. Okay, then it has got weight W, so we will show the weight W1. Okay, then in the diagram we can see that AB is the string, so we can show over here in the diagram that this is force in the member AB, that is TAB. Then we can see over here a horizontal force line BC, as it is in equilibrium. So we can draw over here a horizontal line, and we have assumed that the member is TBC, so that is horizontal line. Okay, also they have given us the inclination, that this inclination is 150. Okay, as it is in equilibrium, this is horizontal and weight is moving in the vertical downward direction. Obviously this angle will be equal to how much? 90 degree. Okay, so if I want to find out the angle, right, this angle, how can I obtain this angle? This angle can be obtained as 360 minus 150 minus 90, that comes out to be equal to 120. Okay, this is 150 and 90. So what it will be? 150 plus 90. Okay, 240 minus 360. So that comes out to be 120. So this angle, that is equal to 120 degree. Okay, so now we can easily apply our Lami's theorem over it. What does the Lami's theorem say? Force is proportional to the sine of the angle formed by other two forces. So if I take TAB, what are the other two forces? BC and W1. What is the angle? 90. So sine 90 is equal to W1 upon, what are the other two forces? AB and BC. So what is the angle? Sine 150. That is equal to TBC upon sine, what are the other two angles? AB and W. So what is the included angle? Sine of 120. Okay, so this is our first equation of Lami's. Okay, for the free body diagram 1. Okay, so we can show over here that this equation is obtained by using the Lami's theorem. Okay, now we will draw a free body diagram for another point, that is point number C. But before going to the point C, I want to tell you one more thing over here, that in this diagram, this is a pulley or a peg on which a weight 300 Newton is attached. So the force in the member DE or string DE will be same in the force CD. So 300 is the weight which is carried over here. So 300 will be the load bear or borne by this particular string CD. Okay. So what we can say? We can say that for a particular force, if the string is attached with the weight and it is passing through a pulley or a peg, the load will be same in the string CD equal to DE. So can I say that tension in the string CD will be equal to tension in the string DE, which is equal to 300 newtons. Okay, why it is same? Because the string CD is a common string, okay, passing through a pulley. Now I want to draw the free body diagram of point C. So we'll take this as point C. Okay, now it is having a weight of W2 in the vertical downward direction. Then it has got, if we see over here, BC, so I can show a horizontal line BC as it is in equilibrium. So this will be TBC, okay, and the third is CD, okay. So I can show over here, that is TCD, and the angle between BC and CD, that is 120 degree. Also angle between TBC and W2 is 90 degree, because BC is horizontal and W2 is exactly vertical. So I can easily find out the unknown angle, this. Okay, what it will be? We know the total circle is 360. So 360 minus 120 minus 90, that comes out to be 150 degree. Okay, so this angle is 150 degree, and this is a free body diagram for point C. Okay, so it is a free body diagram for point C. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to apply the equilibrium, I have to apply the Lami's theorem. Also I can write over here that TCD is equal to 300 newtons. What does Lami's equation say? That the force is proportional